guys, I'm home. What the? Wow. What a mess. I guess Linda had another friend over. Linda! What? You're gonna clean this mess up, right? I'm coming. Just hold on. Okay, good. And while she's cleaning, I can go on the computer. Well, I guess everything works out. That's good. Okay, and search. Search AmericanGirl.com. Okay, the shop. And, I guess I can look at the clothing. My American Girl dolls. And, okay, and look down. Look at all those outfits. I think I want to look at the, I'm going to go look at the, I'm going to go look at the casual clothing. Wow. Hey, that's the one I have. Load. That's the one I have. That's cool. Whoa, the butterfly twist outfit. Cool. It's so pretty. Whoa, that's just awesome. Wow, that's just really cool. I wish I could have them. The boots are so pretty. Oh, the dress is just lovely and the detail. The boots, I love the boots. Anyway, I wonder if Mom can buy that. I guess I can look at the pajamas. Okay. Let's see. They're making so much noise, racket back there. Look, these pajamas look cute. Wow. It even has beautiful little boots. If I can just get a little picture of the closer of the boots. Yeah, aren't they pretty? The detail is just lovely. But I don't need more pajamas. I'm gonna look at the dolls. I can look at I can look at Caroline. Caroline Abbott. She's so pretty. I'm gonna go down and hey, okay, go down. Darling Book. She was beautiful, and I'm going to add to wish list. Okay, so Mom will know that I want to buy it. Woohoo! And now to look at the accessories. Hey. Okay. Ooh, the shoes and socks. Ooh, those boots are cute. Yeah. Cool. These are cool too. Furniture, beds. Wow, that's a beautiful bed. It's Julie's bed. That's just so cool. I'm gonna look at the Just Like You's. My American Girl doll, create your doll. Hurry up, load. Okay. Ooh, she's pretty. Yeah, she's so pretty. I wonder if Mom will like this one. Yeah. Light skin with freckles, wavy dark brown hair, hazel eyes. She looks pretty. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. I got a good idea too. Leave and I think I'm gonna do something else. Cancel and size and make this Arial black and